Hey guys, and I'm back with a ranged weapon that dates back 10,000 years in the Middle East. It's a slingshot. So let's get into building this. Step 1, remove the bark. We want this thing to be a little bit aesthetically pleasing. Step 2, smooth the handle and the forks. Use a rasp for that. But don't remove the cambium. See how pretty that is? Nice and smooth. Next, let's add a handle section. Just don't super glue your hands like I did. Now for the sling, the important part, right? Alright guys, we're ready to shoot. Sorry I'm not in most of these shots. I had the camera angle wrong. I think that we did actually break when we got a good direct hit is a good testament to its power. I hate armor mist! I hate armor mist! We'll see you next time, guys.